How to enable Facebook profile picture guard. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily enable Facebook profile picture guard on your Facebook profile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Facebook app, and then once you're in your Facebook app you have to tap on the three lines or your profile picture here in the top right corner. Then here tap on your name. Now to enable Facebook profile picture guard you have to lock your profile. So to lock your profile tap on these three dots, then here tap on lock profile, and after you lock your profile only your friends will see your full size profile picture and cover photo. So then here tap on lock your profile and wait for a few seconds, and now your profile is locked. So tap on OK, and now the Facebook profile picture guard is also enabled. So this is how you can enable Facebook profile picture guard. Thanks for watching.